was one kill, and that killed another, yeah. And then we go over here and kill this guy, mate. 360, no. Oh! Alright, what's up guys, I'm Sony, and today I just want to welcome you guys to this channel. It's called Sony Plays MC. If you didn't know, you know. I know it, and yeah. So, I'm Sony, if you didn't know me, and kind of crazy. So we're playing One in Chamber today. I think it's a very good game type, but you can like do, it's like almost the same every time. You get a weapon and a bow, and they shoot people, and it's like one shot it, and then they die, and then you get, when you kill someone, you get another arrow. And that's basically it. And we have some cool maps. This is Autumn, I think it is. Yeah, it is. So yeah, let's get it. Hey! No, Steve. That was one kill, and that killed another. Yeah. And then we go over here and kill this guy, mate. 360 now. Oh! And then we go and kill this mate. No, I missed. Okay. Anyways, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you are from Sony Maggie, because I'm gonna make cool videos for you guys. I think you guys will like it a lot. And oh! Like, no! 5 kills. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. Welcome to this channel. Yeah. You guys can choose what I'm going to play, because I don't know if I should play One in Chamber, if I should play survival games. You guys can comment, and that's the good thing about it, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna play 2 rounds of One in the Kamba, and sorry for not having like a good intro or outro or something yet, but I will make that maybe, and make it, yeah. Okay. Hey, so I didn't hit that. That was stupid of me. Maybe, I don't know. Hey. Comes to here. No, I'm not German. I'm Norwegian, guys. No! YOLO! Oh, yeah. GG! And then I'm going to do a 360 no scope. No, freaking hell, I just missed that. No! So, let's kill Stu! No way. I just missed that. Yes! One. And then, and then, and then, YOLO! Oh! And then, Can I kill him? Can I kill him? Oh my god! What? Oh my god, GG. No. So I suck with the bow. It's good to know. Yeah, I do. People say I'm good at with the bow. I don't think so, really. Also, some more information. I am 14 years old. I live in Norway. I just died. 13 kills. Is that enough? I think. Maybe. No, it's not. Hopefully, it is. I don't know. But yeah. So I'm just gonna spectate. Wait for the round to get over. And then, if you guys have some questions, please comment. And also, this is my first video. I'm not very used to play alone. Yeah, so if you guys don't like my commentary, if I should be like more quiet, or if I should talk more about the game, yeah, just comment please. If you guys, yeah, have any experience of commentating. But yeah, that was 1-1, and see you guys in the next round. Peace. If you didn't know, I'm moderator. No. I'm donator. Yeah, so that's right. It's the same app. I wanted to show you guys another map. Okay, same shit, isn't it? Yeah, I think so. YOLO? No? I'm lagging. So GG. No. This guy. Hey. No, hey. And then hey. Freaking hell, I suck with the bow. Lol. Okay, I died. Yeah. Oh, you guys cracking? So you guys cracking our map? Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's find some people. Oh shit. I need 2 kills. No, just 3 kills. Okay, go on. No. GG. You missed it. Yeah, you're dead. You're dead. No! So yeah. Let's do like this 360 no scope. Are we? Ah! No. Freaking hell, I suck with the bow. No, hey. We can be friends, yeah? No? Can't. GG. And then, no. Um, so I can't do this F5 thing because I need to press FN, and then I need to press F5, and it's kind of hard. Need to. I suck with the bow. Yeah, I suck with the bow. Yeah. You mad? Okay, behind me. Yeah. And then you get owned. Then I... How? Woo! And oh, I got 7 kills. I'm almost at the Oh! Did somebody kill my? Did somebody kill my kill? Yup. They did. Whoa. Okay. I'm kind of hyper today. I'm not usually like this, but yeah, this is my first video. I was like, ooh, cool. Yeah. So this guy, can I do a long shot? Ah! I killed him. Oh, nice. Yup. Hey. YOLO. No. Go away. Mate, I know you have an arrow, but you don't want to use it, huh? Huh? Too bad. Okay. No! Okay. This is may be the end of the road, I think, maybe. YOLO! Them kills, though. I need 1 kill. This guy. It's a guy, I can see him. I can see his liver. I'm in the lead. Yes. Hey. No. Oh my god. Yes. I won. GG, hope you guys enjoyed this episode of One in a Chamber. Of course, if you want, comment, please. Comment below if you guys have fans. And remember, this is my first video. I can do so much better in the next video and the next video after that in like 100 videos. But yeah, so see you guys later, and here comes no outro. Black screen.